This repair video is on how to replace the custom clutch assembly and brake for a standard roller shade. The critical parts are the control end bracket, the chain wheel guide nut and screw, the chain wheel, the tube adapter, and the brake. This shade is the M clutch type, but don't worry, if you're working with an L clutch type, the process for replacing the clutch assembly is the same. Now you can remove the clutch and end bracket assembly as one. If you're going to replace the brake, separate the brake from the tube enough to grasp the brake and pull it out of the tube. Once removed, go ahead and remove the tube adapter as well. To replace the brake, first insert the tube adapter into the tube. Align the channels in the brake and the tube adapter with the tube's channels, and press the brake into the tube while aligning the adapter. Now that we've replaced the brake, the next step is to replace the clutch. Start by making a note of the bracket to chain guide orientation. This is critical to know for reassembly. Next, unsnap the bead chain connector. And remove the bead chain. Then remove the screw from the end bracket that holds the clutch assembly in place. Separate the old clutch from the chain guide and leave it in the face-up position. Bring in the new clutch and new parts and reassemble the chain guide in the same position that it was when you took it apart, so that the chain guide will hang down in this case. This orientation always depends on if it's a wall mount or ceiling mount. Next, snap the chain wheel onto the chain guide, pressing down firmly. Then feed the chain into the chain guide and turn the wheel until the chain exits the other side. Insert the end of the chain into the bead connector. Snap together. Make sure to pull the chain up to the back of the end bracket for the standard roll, or to the front of the bracket for a reverse roll. Align the clutch with the brake and push to install. Double check for correct clutch orientation.